Hello everybody and welcome back. We're now on this tutorial on how to install Tor. There is this software named Tor. It's a highly protected browser networking. It has a lot of security. It's a very secure site. Tor, named Tor. Has a lot of security. It's very secure. And you can privately enter enter websites or Google or any sites. Right, let's go here. This it says it protects your privacy while using the internet. It helps you an- anonymize publishing. Yeah, it protects your privacy. It pro- it prevents the site Tor browser prevents you from getting danger from getting identified from cyber criminals. So Tor browser it has a lot of it's very secure, way secure than DuckDuckGo. And it says here download say get private VPN. Well, VPN also has a lot of has security. It's an ad, stupid ad. Enough. English. Stone. Slowly. Can you imagine entering social networking with Tor, which has a lot of security? And hmm, I wonder. Oh, this is Tor. Tor. Tor browser routes your traffic over the Tor network, run by thousands of volunteers around the world. Connect. There you go. And then we're here on Tor browser. You're ready for the world's most private browsing experience? Search with DuckDuckGo. Has DuckDuckGo. Has a lot of security. So let's try something. Let's try entering YouTube. YouTube.com. slow. There. And cancel. Doesn't show your history. Let's type. Let's type it about. For example. Very slow. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll put the link on the description for downloading the most securest website, the most securest internet browsing. It's better than Google, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Firefox, etc. It's better than those crap I say. That's what I say is better than that. Okay. Thanks for watching.